Hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, Jimmy. How are you? Can you tell us who's sitting next to you?
Jackie.
Good morning, Jackie. How are you? Can you tell us who's sitting next to you? Our friends. Good morning, friends. How are you? Can you tell us who's sitting next to you? Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song and we'll clap on Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then we start again. And the month is still April. Should we sing our months of the year song?
Absolutely.
Okay. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. That was really nice. Oh, should we see what the weather is like today?
Sure.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? What's the weather like today? Would you like to see what the weather is like, Jimmy?
Sure. I'll take a quick look.
Would you like to check at home? Great. I'll wait. I wonder what the weather is like. Jimmy, what was the weather like?
Weather today is sunny.
I can tell. It's really sunny in that window behind you. All right. Today, I found another letter sound in my object box, and it is the letter sound ba.
Ba.
Ba. I have some ba things over here I found in my object box. We have ba. Bananas.
Bananas.
Bananas. Do you like bananas, Jimmy?
I love bananas, Jackie.
Oh, I'm so glad. Remember that one time at school when we made banana muffins?
Oh, what a great time
That
that
was really fun. We also have a butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah, a beautiful butterfly. Go. We also have a bus.
Bus.
A bus. And, oh, this one flies at night. A bat.
Bat.
Bat. And a basket.
Basket.
Basket. And I've got two more things. A button.
Button.
And let's see if we can make a little space there. For our bird.
Bird.
It's a blue bird. All right. Should we play What's Missing again?
Sure.
Wonderful. Would you like to be the one that closes their eyes?
I would like to.
Great. Friends at home, you can also close your eyes like this. Okay? All right, Jimmy, go ahead and close your eyes. All right, go ahead and open them.
Oh, what's missing?
What's missing?
It's not the blue bird. It's not the bananas. Is it the bus?
Yeah, it's the bus.
Bus.
All right, let's play again. Go ahead and close your eyes. Okay, you can go ahead and open them. What's missing?
What is missing? It's not the button. It's not the butterfly. Is it the basket?
It is.
Wow.
It's the basket. All right, let's play it one more time. Go ahead and close your eyes. Okay, you can open them. What's missing?
Okay. It's not the bat. And it's most certainly not the bus again. Maybe, just maybe, is it the bananas?
Yeah, it was the bananas. You got it. All right, do you want to play a little mystery game?
Sure.
Wonderful. All right, let's remember all of these butt items as I hide them, and then I'll give you a description of what the item could be, and you let me know what you think, okay? So we have bananas, butterfly, bus, bat, basket, button, and bluebird. Okay. I have something in my hands that flies in the air, that likes to land on flowers, that has wings that are colored with beautiful colors, and it is an insect. Do you have any idea what I have?
Do you have any idea? I think I have an idea.
What?
Is it the butterfly?
Yeah, you got it. It's the butterfly. All right. Let's see here. I have something else in my hand that people ride on. Sometimes it costs money or a ticket. It has wheels and windows. And it's pretty big.
Pretty big.
In real life, yeah. When it goes down the street. Do you have any idea what it could be?
Do you have any idea? I have an idea.
Yeah, what is it?
Is it the bus?
You got it. It's the bus. All right, let's play again. I have something in my hands that's yellow, but sometimes it can be green or brown. It grows on a tree in a bunch. And sometimes we make muffins with it as an ingredient. Do you have any idea what it could be?
Do you have any idea? I have an idea.
What do you think?
Is it the bananas?
Yeah, the bananas. A bunch of bananas. All right, one more time. I have something in my hand that is the shape of a circle. And sometimes it has holes in it. Most times it has holes in it. And you can use it to fasten a sweater or maybe a pair of pants. Do you have any idea what it could be?
Do you have any idea what it could be? Because I know I do.
What do you think?
Is it the button?
It is. It's the button. Wow, you got it. Thanks, friends, for playing that game with us. Can't wait to see you again tomorrow.